Welcome to Gun Rankings. Today, we're diving into the top 5 must-have 9mm pistols of 2025. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or new to the world of firearms, we've got you covered with some of the best options on the market. Let's jump right in. First up, we have the Glock 19 Gen 5. Known for its legendary reliability, the Glock 19 is a favorite among both law enforcement and civilian users. With a compact size that's perfect for everyday carry and a capacity of 15 rounds, it strikes the right balance between firepower and concealability. Plus, the Gen 5 improvements like the enhanced trigger and new rifling make it a top choice for 2025. Next on our list is the Sig Sauer P320. This modular pistol allows you to change frame sizes and calibers, giving you the ultimate customization. It's been adopted by the US military as the M17 and M18, proving its reliability in performance. With a smooth trigger pull and excellent ergonomics, it's perfect for a wide range of shooters. Coming in at number 3 is the Smith & Wesson M&P 9M 2.0. This pistol combines a comfortable grip with excellent accuracy, making it a popular choice for both self-defense and competition. The M2.0 version features an improved trigger and enhanced texturing for better control, ensuring you'll stay accurate under pressure. Fourth on our list is the CZ-P10C. Known for its outstanding build quality and smooth operation, this pistol delivers exceptional accuracy. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in the hand, and the low-bore axis helps reduce recoil. For those looking for a reliable and accurate firearm, the P10C is a must-consider. Last but not least, we have the Walther PDP, or Performance Duty Pistol. This striking firearm features an innovative design that enhances both performance and comfort. With an adaptive grip system and advanced optics mounting capability, the PDP is making waves in the shooting community. It's a fantastic option for both personal defense and competitive shooting. There you have it, folks. The top 5 must-have 9mm pistols of 2025. Whether you prefer Glock's reliability, Sig Sauer's versatility, Smith & Wesson's comfort, CZ's quality, or Walther's performance, there's a pistol for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite 9mm pistol. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there. Feel free to adjust the script to match your style and presentation preferences.